For a product manager, the different stakeholders are engineering, design, sales, marketing, leadership, support, finance, legal, etc. And a product manager needs to communicate to all these stakeholders in a different manner. The communication that a product manager does with an engineering team or an engineering person cannot be the same cannot be the same to the communication that a product manager does to the leadership. So let's understand how to carry out communication with these different stakeholders. So let's start with engineering. So now a product manager should understand what the other person is interested to listen. In this case, when a product manager is interacting with a engineering head or a developer, then the product manager should understand what a developer cares about. So in this case, it the discussions can go around what should be the API, or the what could be the RCA behind the bug that your customers are facing, or why the API is not working, or it can we scale a product to 10x. Yes. And when a product manager is interacting with the leadership, then the communication will go around what is the ROI if we build this feature, what is the cost if we build this feature, what should be a strategic expansion. So these are the areas in which a product manager interacts with the leadership in these ways. And then when comes to the support, then what are the current issues that the customer is facing, what new features the customer wants us to build. And if the discussion is with the design team, what should be the ideal user flow of. There could be conflicting priorities from different stakeholders, and how a product manager should handle that. uh, yes. So the uh, your stakeholders can have different priorities. Like your customers might care about the new feature, or might care about the bug that the customer is facing, or your sales team might want your product to be developed very soon. uh, and your uh, engineering might want that uh, they might uh, work uh, on the engineering infrastructure betterment rather than building a new feature that you are proposing. So it might happen that different stakeholders might have different priorities. You should master the communication uh, so that you'll be able to interact with all these different stakeholders. Like the points that you should take care is that you should understand, if a customer is asking you for a new feature, then you should not directly go and say that we will build this feature for you. Rather, you should understand what that particular feature which your customer wants, does that add any business value to your organization, or does that or what is the effort required to build that particular product or feature. Or you need to take care of different factors uh, before before committing anything. to your stakeholder. In this particular case, if you are committing your customer, then you should consider various other factors, and also you should do the prioritizations. The whenever you want to understand, you want to check that which feature should go to the development, or which feature request should a developer consider, or development team consider building. If you have multiple requirements and there is a limit, and the engineering team has a limit, in that case you need to do the prioritizations. There are some prioritization frameworks. Like, one framework is rice framework. In that framework, the a number is calculated uh, on how prior is that particular product to build. There are other frameworks like value versus effort. In it, that what is the value after you get after building the product, and what is the effort that is required. If the effort required is more, then you should not develop that particular feature or product. Uh, then there are other frameworks.
Thank you. If you like the videos, please subscribe to our videos to get more such content like this, and like and share if you find it helpful. Thank you.